Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize expense reimbursements in Zoho Expense, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize expense reimbursements in Zoho Expense, start by logging into your Zoho Expense account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find the Expenses tab. Click on the Expenses tab to view a list of all submitted expenses. Look for the section labeled Reimbursement Requests in the Expenses menu. Select the reimbursement request that you wish to authorize. Review the details of the expense including the amount, purpose, and attached receipts. If everything looks correct, proceed to the Approval section. Click on the Approve button to authorize the expense reimbursement. You may also add comments if necessary for additional context. Once you've approved the expense, a confirmation message will appear. The approved expense will now move from the pending to the approved section. If needed, you can also decline a reimbursement request by clicking on the Decline option. Provide a reason for the decline in the comment section if required. After reviewing all authorizations, you can return to the main dashboard. Repeat the process for any additional reimbursement requests. Keep track of any approvals or declines in the notifications area. Always ensure to follow company policies regarding expense reimbursements. Once all tasks are complete, log out of your Zoho Expense account for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.